Hey everyone, welcome back. Making pickled cucumbers, simple as that. Perfect for summer, cool and neat. 4 styles today, a tasty treat. Korean, Japanese, Chinese, Western too. Pickled cucumbers, flavors new. Summer pickles, crisp and bright. In my kitchen, all is right.
To whip up these cucumber side dishes, guess what we need first? That's right, cucumbers. Who would have thought, right? We need to sprinkle them with salt, which helps remove their grassy taste. Roll the cucumbers back and forth on a baking sheet. Doing this helps the salt spread more evenly and quickly. When you see a little juice being drawn out, that means it's done. The next step, rinse them off. Chopping time. We're cutting the cucumbers in 4 different ways: thin slices, thick slices, oblique cuts, and bellows cutting. For each style, we'll use a different cut.
Thin slices, let the flavors seep, dressing soaking deep. Thick slices, crunch with every bite, a milder taste just right. We peel them partly just for show, adds a charm that we all know. Oblique cuts, angled, sharp and neat, slice at a slant so chic, so fleet. Bellows cut like an accordion.
Slice at 90 degrees. Thin, but don't cut through. Just let the knife tip touch the board. Flip the cucumber. Make a 45-degree angled cut, still without cutting through. After finishing all the cuts, it's time to pickle them. My trick this time is to use sugar instead of salt. This ensures the cucumbers retain a fresh taste without becoming too salty, and it adds a subtle sweetness that complements the natural flavor of the cucumbers. After mixing well, let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes to allow the sugar to fully penetrate the cucumbers. This allows for the moisture to be drawn out. When time is up, squeeze the water out of the cucumbers. For the thin sliced cucumbers, I'm going with a Japanese style by adding 2 tablespoons of kombu soy sauce and white sesame seeds. For the oblique cuts, I'm doing them Korean style. Add salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, Korean red pepper powder, and white sesame seeds. Mix everything well. For the thick sliced cucumbers, I'm going with a Western style. Start by peeling some lemon skin. Thinly slice the peel and add it to the cucumbers. Then, cut the lemon in half and squeeze its juice over the cucumbers. Mix well. Add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar. For our star today, the bellows cut cucumbers, I'm opting for a Chinese style. Add sugar and salt to taste. Then mix in 1 tablespoon of Chinkiang vinegar. Blend everything well to combine the flavors thoroughly. And that wraps up our pickled cucumber extravaganza with 4 delicious styles. I personally love the Japanese style. My husband is all about the Korean flavor, and my daughter adores the Western style. What about you? Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know.
Thanks for joining, let's pickle today. 4 styles of cucumbers, bright and gay. Happy cooking, see you next time with more recipes, all divine.